In this video, we will demonstrate the correct installation of a resin capsule anchor for use in concrete and dense masonry, where masonry units are large and the installation will always be in the masonry unit and not cross a joint between leaves. If in doubt, use resin injection systems in masonry. Ensure that the anchor to be installed is the exact type specified and carries a European Technical Assessment, or ETA. Refer to the manufacturer's instructions as detailed on the packaging and always wear the appropriate PPE. Make sure you have the correct tools for the installation, as shown here. Only use drill bits which carry the PGM mark of quality assurance. This will ensure that the drill bit diameter is manufactured to specified controlled dimension. Before installation, check that the components to be used are as specified and that the resin capsule is suitable for the base material. The capsule should be in date and the ambient temperature within usable range. Start by drilling the hole to the correct diameter and depth. Thoroughly clean the hole by brushing and blowing up to 3 times to ensure that all debris is removed and that the wall of the drilled hole is ready for bonding. Insert the capsule into the hole with the air bubble nearest the surface. For foil capsules, insert in the direction of the arrow on the capsule body. Attach the setting adapter to the hammer drilling machine and spin the anchor rod into the capsule on rotary hammer until the rod reaches the bottom of the hole and so fully mixes the capsule contents. The depth mark should be level with or below the surface of the base material. Never hammer resin studs into spin-in type resin capsules. Allow time for the resin to fully cure according to manufacturer instructions. This will depend on temperature. Damp substrates and lower temperatures will increase curing time. Be aware only certain resin types are suitable for damp and wet conditions. After the resin has fully cured, mount the fixture carefully over the studs and tighten using a torque wrench to the manufacturer's specified torque. Be sure not to over-tighten. Ensure that the correct anchor is being installed as specified. Drill to the correct diameter and depth. Check that the resin capsule is in date. Clean the hole thoroughly by brushing and blowing up to 3 times. Insert the capsule into the hole with the air bubble nearest the surface. Spin the anchor rod into the capsule. Observe the manufacturer's curing time and avoid contact with the fixing during the curing process. Tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque. This video is a guide only, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions during installation. You can find more demonstrations just like this one on our website, the-cfa.co.uk, as well as method statements and technical advice and documentation.